Hello friends, welcome to the channel Tips and Tricks. Friends, if you're planning to buy a night cream and searching for the best brand, then this video is for you. Night creams are basically creams and lotions that have been specifically designed to deep moisturize the skin and boost its natural repair function during the night. These beauty wonders can work like magic on your skin while you sleep and make it look fresh, supple and radiant in the morning. So here's the video, and in this video I have shared the list of top 5 best night creams in India. All these brands of night creams are available online. Please check description for latest price and discount. If you are new to our channel, then please like the video and subscribe our channel for more updates.
Are you all my personal dream?
Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe.